Hello children, yesterday we discussed the question number 12 of exercise 7.1 and today we will continue the same exercise 7.1. So let us sum more questions from the same exercise. Question number 13, sec theta minus cos theta multiply with cot theta plus tan theta is equal to tan theta multiply with sec theta. So we have to show this side is equal to this side. So I told you in this question you have to do nothing special, just put the values of tan, cot and sec in the form of sine and cos and simplify the question. So I took the left hand side here. So you can write down sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta minus cos theta will remain same. Cot theta, you can write down this cos theta upon sin theta plus tan theta means sin theta upon cos theta. Now simplify this question. Cos theta is LCM from here. Cos theta divide in cos theta 1 multiply with 1 minus this will multiply to this number completely. Why? Because this is the single number. So this will become cos theta multiply with cos theta. You can write down this cos square of theta bracket close and the LCM here sin theta cos theta. LCM here sin theta and cos of theta. Now when we divide sin theta in sin theta cos theta, so sin theta will cancel out and cos theta will remain. So cos theta will multiply to cos theta means cos square of theta plus cos theta will cancel out, sin theta remain, sin theta multiply with sin theta, sin of square theta. Now 1 minus cos square theta, you can write down this since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the identity. And I told you when we subtract cos square theta from 1, we will get sin square theta. And when we subtract sin square theta from 1, we get cos square theta. यानी 1 में से जब cos square को subtract करते हैं तो sin square आ जाता है और 1 में से ही sin square को subtract करते हैं तो cos square आ जाता है. So you can write down 1 minus cos square theta means sin square theta upon this cos theta will remain same bracket close. Again cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. This you can write down cos square theta first and sin square theta second. So this will become 1 and sin theta cos theta will remain same. Sin theta and cos of theta will remain same. Now what is the sign here? Multiplication. Now sin theta will cancel out one time. So in numerator sin theta will remain. Here sin theta multiply with sin theta and upon cos theta multiply with cos theta. This will become cos square theta. ठीक है और you can leave here this. Now what remain here? 1 by cos of theta. ठीक है sin theta upon cos theta, this will become tan theta and 1 by cos theta, this is sec theta. So this is the right hand side.